Finding a quiet place, removed from distractions, noise. If possible, find a comfortable seat, eyes closed. Taking a deep cleansing breath in through your nose, exhale out of your mouth. Breathing deeply in through your nose. As you exhale, soften your shoulders down. As you're breathing, bring your awareness to the chest, expanding and contracting with each breath like a wave. As you inhale, it lifts and becomes light. Often, when we feel frustrated, we tend to hold our breath, breathe shallow and quickly. Let's slow down the breath, calming the body and the nervous system. We'll inhale for a count of 4, exhale a count of 4. Exhale fully. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Beginning to feel much calmer, much more relaxed and in control. Your mind might be very busy right now, filled with a lot of chatter. That's okay. Allow these thoughts and feelings to float up higher above you, distancing your thoughts and feelings away from you. You don't need to control your thoughts. Allow them to do the thing that they're doing, floating around far above you, coming and going. Bringing your awareness to your breath and the body. When we become frustrated and angry, we hold tension in our body. Taking a deep breath in, and as you exhale, softening the muscles in your back. Softening the muscles in your face, softening your eyes. Scanning your body. Anywhere you have tension or feels uncomfortable, breathe into that space. Taking a deep breath in and exhale, repeating these affirmations in your mind. I let go of feeling anger and frustration. I let go of expectations. I am open to feeling good, calm, and at peace. Taking a deep breath in, awakening your body. Notice the peaceful feeling you have right now, that it may carry throughout the rest of your day.